Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the SoundClick software to increase your track plays and downloads. In order to achieve this functionality, you will need to pick a SoundClick track. So I'll just pick one at random from the world section. And the URL you need is the full song info URL. So copy that and load it up here. So once you have your URL, you enter it here, and you will need to scrape some proxies to use. On the proxy control, the program will go to specified websites and look to see if it can find any public proxies. To edit this file, you go to the Settings tab and click the Proxy Sites button. Here I've just entered a personal URL that contains some proxies that I know are quite reliable and should scrape a good fair number. If your list is different to this, you can add this URL to the page or add your own URLs to create a custom proxy scraper. You can view the countries where the proxies are located and simple order. If you would like to filter countries out based on the country, so if I wanted to remove all Argentinian, I'd simply go to the filter out functionality. And you can type in the country name or the country code. Now you'll see that Argentina has removed. On the flip side, if you only wanted to include Brazilian proxies, you would go to filter in and enter Brazil. All other proxies will be removed. Okay, so now we have our proxies we're going to use. You can set the referrers, which will be passed along in the header requests, indicating where the user has come from previously to playing the track. Or you can leave it blank for the default settings. You can specify to pause after each play, set a maximum number of plays you would like to achieve on the track, number of threads, this means the number of concurrent plays that will happen at any one time, and the type of play. In the back end of SoundClick, in your admin section, you can see from what page the play has come from, whether the home page, track page, or any other of the pages. So you can indicate which exact play type you would like to use, or simply increase across all page types. For now, I'll just use the home page. If you'd like to repeat this action, you can specify that these proxies will be used every 4 hours to give 20 increases. If you would like to use Autobot functionality, that means every time the process runs, the proxies are scraped afresh, verified if you click this button, and then used to play. So to repeat, plays and downloads with a repeat will reuse the same proxies as specified in the control. Autobot play and download will scrape new proxies every run. Once everything is set up, we can play, we can download, and we will see we have the actions in our processing tab. In order for the processing to start, we need to click run, and the plays will now run. Here we have 4 threads, and the proxies are being logged in, attempting to play the track. As they are public proxies, you cannot expect 100% success rate. The proxies may be slow, they may not currently be working. So if you do not verify, you can expect around half not to be working. If you would like to increase the success rate, we can validate the proxies using the validation routine here. We have various ways to validate: anon, highly anon, post, anon, and post, highly anon, and post. For more information on this, please come to the forum at rootjazz.com/forum. As we can see here, the proxies are now appearing which were validated. So now if we play, we are creating actions with these proxies here. So just remove those ones and we'll go back to the verified ones. As you can see, some of the unverified proxies are starting to successfully pull the track now. I'll increase the threads here, meaning 2 processes will run at the same time. And again, the process is starting to log into the proxies and attempting to go to the page and play the track. Now, just because the proxies are verified does not mean the play will work. The verification just attempts to see if the proxy will allow a web page to be pulled. When you want to play a track, you have to pull the actual media file, and some proxies do not allow this, or the proxies may be blacklisted by SoundClick or some other issues with them. For a better list of working proxies, you can buy lists of working proxies, private proxies, shared proxies. These will give you fast, guaranteed working proxies. For more information on this functionality or any other functionality within the program, please come to the forum at rootjazz.com/forum. Here you'll find information on SoundClick bot and the rest of our programs. You can have general discussions, find support, amongst other things. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, please check out the other SoundClick bot tutorials found on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.